Your desk setup looks clean, but controlling everything? Still messy. Meet the Knob USB-C hub controller, where power meets control. This all-in-one device combines a Type-C hub with a smart control knob, giving you instant access to volume control, shortcuts, and device management. With a simple turn of the knob, adjust audio smoothly, no more clicking around. The shortcut buttons let you trigger commands, apps, or functions in seconds. It also works as a multi-port docking station, connecting your USB devices, headphones, and more all in one place. The RGB lighting design adds a premium vibe to your desk setup. Fast, minimal, and insanely practical, built for productivity and style. If you want full control without clutter, this is your upgrade. Simplify your setup. Control everything